I just went through the first layer of the glass.
We're going to mount the injector and platform assembly to the windshield. We'll do a basic alignment looking down through the center of the injector to line up the injector over the point of impact. We'll push down on the knob that holds the vacuum cup to the platform assembly and do a basic alignment. Now we're going to attach the mirror to the underside on the windshield, and this allows us to see under the injector from the outside of the car so we can watch the repair process and also to do a further alignment of the injector to make sure we're over the exact point of impact for injecting the resin into the repair. We're going to install the vacuum hose to the side of the injector. The purpose of that is to pull a vacuum to remove the trapped air from the brake. Now we're going to put some resin into the brake. We'll put about 5 to 6 drops of resin into the injector, sometimes a little more for a larger brake. Now we'll install the piston into the injector. We'll push it down into the injector till it makes just contact with the top of the threads. This seals off the cylinder to the vacuum port hole on the side for pulling a vacuum. We'll pull at least 20 inches of vacuum, and what this does is it pulls the trapped air inside the brake out through the resin, which allows us to push the resin into the brake under pressure. Now we're going to inject resin into the brake under pressure, and we'll gently screw down the piston, and as we're doing so we're watching for resin to either seep out from underneath the injector or the injector to lift off the glass just a little bit. And as we're doing this, we're going to watch the brake fill, and after a few minutes, if you don't get the desired results, pull another vacuum cycle for at least a minute and then repeat the pressure cycle. Now we're going to start curing the brake, and while it's under pressure we'll expose the brake to some ultraviolet light to start the curing process of the resin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to back off the pressure on the resin so that we can remove the platform assembly safely. And at that point, then we're going to flip over the UV cure tab over the glass so that we can cure it. Now we'll swing the light over the point of impact to cure the resin. It will take at least 3 minutes on average to cure the resin. Next, we're going to remove the cure tab from the repair, and you'll hear a tearing sound as you lift it up. We'll cut the cured resin from the surface of the glass at a 45-degree angle or so with a razor blade. And as you can see, the resin's all cured. This is your basic repair. There are other steps for other repairs that you can contact us and we'll walk you through them. Thank you.